Alright guys, what's going on? It's DC the Bro 555 here. So I just got done reacting to those Thomas memes, which were pretty funny, not gonna lie. I used to watch Thomas when I was a kid, but oh my god, now I think he's dumb as fuck. Anyways, today I'm gonna be reacting to something brand new. And it's gonna be beginning right here. We're gonna be beginning with Hood Animal Voiceovers Part 12 by Holadocious. Now, I've seen some of these, and they are absolutely hilarious, so I want to see some more. And I decided to record it for YouTube, so let's go in 3, 2, 1. Full screen, 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, wow. He's got a different intro. That's a cool intro, Holadocious.
Is that Channing Tatum? Oh, wait, no. Wait, that's me. That's me. Ooh, boy, you a sexy motherfucker, boy. 29. What comes after 29? 2010? I think it is 2010. Let me go ask. Oh, shit. Oh, move. Quack, 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 quack. Nigga, you ain't a duck. What you quacking for? Take your ass to Pick Boulevard with that bullshit. Quack, 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 quack. Hey, come on, man. That crazy bitch out there again. Come on, she got a gun. Jennifer crazy ass shit. Come on. Hey, you know the crazy one got that bitch ass.
That dog, Jesus.
Man, come on out there, man. She got a... You want to put some water in my bowl of water?
Another cucumber.
What that is, nigga? What that is?
Never understood the thing with cats and cucumbers.
Jackie, what's wrong? You sleepy? Hell no,
You
I ain't
sleepy?
sleepy. Resting my eyes, nigga. Told you I wasn't gonna fall asleep.
By the way, I don't bleep anything out on this channel. This is a channel for teenagers, basically. So, if you're 13 and up, great. If you're 12 and under, don't watch this, pretty much.
I love this movie. I'm good, look. Oh, shit. Look at me. Oh. I gotta clean up. I got a date tonight. Yeah, I knew it was something. You ain't take a shower in 3 years. And get that big ass booger out your nose. I got a booger in my nose, what? Yeah, I think I got it.
Ew.
Hell nah, man, that shit's still dangling. You better not hug her. That shit gonna attach to her face. That's nasty as hell.
There's
Hey, man,
so
I ain't worried
much
about that. Come on,
soap.
man, give me a towel so I can dry off.
Look at all the
Yeah, I
soap
wanna
on
see
that
what she
guy.
owes me.
Or on that
Fucking
friggin'
wacko.
monkey.
And what are you asking for? Well, honestly, I think she owes me some ass. I sell insurance, Bobby.
I think she owes me some ass.
I'm gonna need you to get out of here, okay? You can't come in here looking for that. Ah, what the fuck is that? Oh, shit. You ain't my business.
Spaz
You
cat,
man,
Jesus
looking at
Christ.
you. I know you did, because your fur next to it. I didn't eat your biscuit. I ain't eat that shit. Yes, you did. Give me my biscuit.
Birds can talk.
Damn. Oh,
Dogs
is this
can't.
a dream? Where everybody at? Santa? Tooth Fairy?
What?
Shrek? Dwayne Johnson? Oh.
Oh boy.
Ooh, we eating good today, babe. What the fuck? Oh my god, it's a whale.
It's a seal.
God damn it. I was just about to get some ass. Put me back in the ocean, nigga. Fuck. Hey, nah, come on, man. Nah, move, man. Let me go.
Oh wow.
He talking to me like I'm a husky. He gonna call me a husky. I ain't no husky, nigga. You better recognize what I really am, cuz. Come on, man. Hey, look. Let me go, man. Stop. Back up, dog. Fuck out of here. Give me that shit.
It's a fox.
Man, what kind of ride is
Oh,
this?
that's kind of cute.
This shit
Little
slow.
fox.
Well, my grandmother go to the bathroom is faster than this. And she ain't got no legs or no eyes.
Those are
She
toys.
don't eat pancakes. Come on, man.
Or is that a real
give me up.
chameleon? I don't know. The dinosaur's fake though, that's all I know.
Off the table. Who you talking to? I paid the internet bill last week. I'll do what I want. What? Hey, Bob, look at Lily. Look. She can't even stay awake. Look at the side of her mouth. Like a Nike check. It's the quietest she ever
Yo, what the hell?
It's my birthday. I told myself I wasn't gonna cry. I'm gonna smile, daddy. Right after I finish this cake. Making my way downtown, walking fast, faces past and I'm homebound.
How is the dog driving?
Who need a ride? Hello? Have you checked the children? Hi, welcome to Chili's. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh,
Alright,
Oh,
so
y'all was expecting some real music. Nah, that's just me.
you know what? Screw it.
Hope
Let's
y'all
just go on to the
enjoyed the
next
video.
one.
Hey, follow
Put
me
down Voiceovers Part 5. This one's even older.
This is Ruffin, and I'm going to show you how to start an online t-shirt business. Let's go. Go to Shopify.
Nobody cares about Shopify. 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hey, hold on. Hey, show me how she did it. She grabbed it from the back. Hey, hold on. Show me one more time. Hey, how she grabbed that thing? Like this. Like this. Oh, God.
What is this one?
Oh, my God. Hey, hold on.
What is this one? My goodness, holy voice crack, guys.
Breathe. 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 Hey, back the fuck up.
Oh,
Damn.
the lion?
Get this little nigga out of here, dog. Ow! Run, nigga, run! He's coming, nigga. Who coming? Who coming? Man, fuck that bitch ass nigga. Get off me, bitch. Hey, Chirp, you still coming with us to the club tonight? Hell yeah. I'm
Chirp,
Let
chirp.
me do what I do best. Let me go beat this meat, my nigga. Hey, for sure. Hit me up. Man, I gotta be tripping. This is the last time I smoke weed with that nigga smoke. Oh, shit, hold up, nigga. Oh, it's real. It's real. Yeah, nigga, you a bump. You ain't nothing but a little punk cat. Oh, shit. Oh, hey, nigga, what was that?
Star Wars
Hey,
cat.
what that was, cuz? Hey, hey, chill out, man. It ain't like that, dog. It ain't like that, nigga. Come on, put that shit, come on. Talk that shit now, nigga. Oh, talk that shit now. Oh, shit, chill out, bitch.
Jesus got 2.
Nigga,
He's got 2 lightsabers.
you ain't got nothing on me. Come on. Nigga today. What's up? Get up, get yourself.
I'd love to know how they edited that. That's awesome.
Oh, damn, girl, that shit got my mouth. Your shit stain, look. I can't even move my lip. My shit stuck, look. Damn it. I told your ass before y'all put me here, I can't fucking swim. Oh, shit. Nigga, hey, nigga, turn your ass around. You see I'm over here struggling for my damn life in this damn water. Come on, man. Come on. I can't stay afloat, nigga. Turn your ass around, nigga. Come on, man.
What is that
Come on, I'm
thing?
your brother, man.
Freaking
Don't let me
ferret?
go out like this. Man, this nigga whack as hell playing with this blanket like a damn kid. You don't know how stupid you look, boy. What the fuck? What's that? Oh, hell no. Hey, can you at least disappear after you fix my food, nigga? Where you at? Miss Shirley dumbass put this shit in my bowl. I'm not eating that shit. Man, you gotta eat something.
Ew.
Like, oh,
I hate lettuce.
this shit smell like bona fide ass cheeks, nigga. Just try it, nigga. I'm not eating that shit, cuz. Ow, ow. So you gonna help me go in the kitchen and get this snack or what? Why should I help you? If you don't, I'm gonna tell Mom where you really went last night. Fuck. So how you gonna get up there? You gotta twist the doorknob. Man, stand back, little nigga. Watch you learn. Rah. Oh shit, it's a flying pussy. I never thought I'd see the day. God damn. Hurry up before Moms get back. Man, go ahead, man. Shit, hurry up. Wait, I assume I gotta come with you, cause I know you can't get on top of that damn cabin. Do I gotta come with you? Come on, man, yes, hurry up. Man. Fuck. I gotta do everything right now. Oh, wait, I think I left my tennis racket in there. Hold up. Is it in here? Oh, wait, it's in the living room. I was using it earlier.
a tennis
Damn, I
racket.
ain't even see you jump up there. How you got up there? I'm a cat. Fuck you mean? Yeah, hey, that's the McNibblets.
Is that a dog?
Yeah, send them down, send them
It's
down.
a tiny ass dog.
Come on. Hurry up, man, just drop them.
Hang on, guys. What time is it? 9:57.
Right there.
Okay.
There it is. Hey, you come and eat these with me? Hell nah. I ain't got nothing to do with this. Any more for me? I'm good. Hey, what turn of the game on? Fuck that, nigga. I'm about to chill and relax. Throw them hands right now, nigga. What's up? What's up, nigga? What's up, nigga? I don't care who watch it. Throw them. Throw them. Bitch.
Damn.
Get off me, bitch. Well, get off me, cuz. Fuck off. My hand certified, nigga. Just throw your shit, nigga. I don't care. Hold up, bazooka.
There you go. Bite his ass.
Fuck that. Run it back.
Just kidding.
Run it back. Nah, what's up? What's up? Round two, nigga.
That monkey has a huge butt.
Hey, man, chill out, man. Hey,
You're probably wondering, what the hell are you looking at the butt for?
Chill out.
Wait, what did he say?
Nigga. Whoa, hey, man, chill out, man. Hey, we just came to return your brother Xbox controller we borrowed last night. Chill out. Stop running.
Xbox controller.
My leg. Come on, man, chill out, bro. We just came to return the controller. We wasn't gonna whoop your ass. Hey, fuck, that my nigga Jeff on it. Hey, chill out. Hey, they trying to get my nigga. Now, fuck that, get off me, bitch. Get off me. That's my nigga. Come on, Jeff. Come on, man, calm down. Jeff, you got this, cuz.
What is it, a bear?
Oh, shit. Jeff, come on. Get your hands off me. Stop. Jeff. Come on. Calm down, bro. You got this, bro. Chill. Jeff.
When you haven't won a Stanley
Hey,
I
hockey.
don't care how much talent you may or may not have, you're an underdog.
Fuck that.
Dead wings.
My nigga got the GoPro. My nigga got the GoPro. We out here, nigga. Let's get it. Hey, keep going. Don't stop. They coming for our ass. They on our ass, boy. Come on. Keep going, bro. Keep going, nigga. Let's get it, cuz. Yeah. We live. Hey, put this shit on Instagram. Nigga. Hey, wait for me. Yeah. Can't nobody
That is
stop us.
sick.
Hey, on that corner before you go.
I want to put a GoPro on my dog. That'd be sick.
Go. Let's get it. Oh, look, he right there, nigga. He on our ass.
If this channel gets 100 subscribers eventually, I will do that.
I'm not getting out this damn bed. I'll pay the bills. I'll work and make all the goddamn money. Shut up. You don't do shit. Don't talk to me like I'm a little kid. I'm not getting out this damn bed. Get your ass out that damn bed. Get out my damn face with all that noise. You a bum nigga. I was doing just fine until you came up in here. You don't pay nothing around here. Girl, you testing me. You testing me right now, girl. You just biting me. Get out my damn face, motherfucker. I'll bite you in your ass, boy. I don't give a damn. Get out my face. Get away from the bed. Fuck, damn it. You must have forgot where I'm from. Don't make me come up there. Get off
The
the
kid's
bed,
like,
girl.
what the fuck?
Swing at me again. I'ma call your mama on you. I'ma tell my mama how you treat me. I'ma tell your mama how you acting towards me. That's all I do for you. Get your bum ass off the bed. You always in the damn bed. That's all you do is sit on your ass. You gonna do this in front of the kid? Swing again. In front of the kid? Get up. I say hey back, but you're just not that pretty. You got some
Oh!
big nipples? Girl, you look like you got some bee stinger nipples. Go get me some rings, boy. Ugly.
Hey there, little guy. How you doing?
Shut your bitch ass up.
Beg your pardon?
Why don't you roll up on my face?
I gotta kick your ass. Hey. Relax, son. It's just a bird.
It's just a bird.
Nah, Polly wants you to cut that nappy ass fro, nigga. Why don't you take me to your
Ooh.
mom's house so I can hit her with this pair of penis?
Damn.
Talk about my mama, son. You don't know my mama, son.
I hope y'all ain't got the same hair.
You want me? I'll fuck you up.
Shit, run it up then, nigga.
Nah, fuck this. I'm handling this shit like telling me. Yo, hold my tooth, son.
Come on, nigga, you and that deep fried bird that's on top of your head ain't gonna do nothing. What's up?
Roast him.
Come on, let me out here so I can whip your ass. Come on.
That was pretty good. Hope you guys enjoyed that. I think I'm gonna title the video, that boy got roasted, or that boy got roasted, and then Hood Animal voiceovers. That was pretty funny, not gonna lie, that was hilarious actually. So, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, make sure to hit me with a like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys next time. Peace out. Don't forget to